Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you a couple of my slimes. So, yeah, and also I'm going to be doing like a, making slime with a glue stick. Okay, so this was the first one. Oh my god. Okay.
I told him I'll be home.
So this is technically what it looks like. I have another one, but I can't find it. It's like the exact same thing, just stickier, I guess. Well, less sticky.
Breast cancer is relentless, but I'm relentless too. NBC doesn't take it away, and neither will. And I treat my NBC with new everyday present.
It gets all over your hands very quickly.
In fact, Verzenio is a CDK4 and 6 inhibitor for postmenopausal women. HR-positive, HER2-negative
I'll put this in here. That was one of them. And now here's another one. I actually bought a slime, but then it spilled in my backpack. So this is called Elasti-Plasti. Got it from Five Below, $5 or I think $3. So yeah, I made something and I made it and I put it in here, but the other one spilled in my bag, so why not just keep the container just for something else? I made this one with glue and red glitter with laundry detergent or dish laundry detergent. That's what I made it with. Those ones work really good, but sometimes they can be a bit sticky. Guys, don't do cold water with borax, like, and leave it overnight and keep using it. I did that. I tested it, and it came out as a block. Nothing even worked. Not at all. Okay. But yeah. Sorry about the background noise, like the TV's on and oh my god, guys. You've got to see this. It's on the news about Abby Lee, like, dance company. Oh my god. Something happened, like, because I like to watch, like, the shows because, you know, like, not the shows, but, like, the little videos, clips on YouTube. So, they decided something. Okay, can I, like, Mom, can I melt some glue sticks in the microwave? Melt glue sticks in the microwave.
What sticks?
Glue sticks.
I don't think so.
Why not? Okay, so that was that one. Now I'm gonna go get a few glue sticks. you're gonna need a glue stick. I'm just using this one. And you're gonna also need like a little container, so let me go grab that. Okay, so I got these to mix with, and a container, and I just have a cover. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna melt this in here, and I'm gonna stir it and just make it as usual slime. Right, like this is glue. Like pretend this is liquid glue. We're just gonna pour it. Okay, so what you're gonna need to do is get another bowl. Okay. You have a bowl, you got a spoon, container, glue, and a mixing tool. So let's get to start. Okay. Sorry about the lighting. I think it's the light over here.
Call us for more information about your legal rights. Morgan & Morgan, forthepeople.com. In America, the automobile is a symbol of our freedom, our individuality. Whether it gets us from point A to point B.
I'm not so sure that sorry about the lighting, guys. Again. Usually I do videos in my room or out here. But there. That's the best I can do. Oh crap. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna take the glue stick, put it in here. I'm gonna need to just get it out. There's not much in here, like there's only that much. So you're just gonna try to take it out and take it out very gently. Oh my god. Put it in the bowl. Okay.
Nothing stops this marching band member who doesn't miss a beat when things go wrong.
Check out this trumpet player in the school marching band. Down he goes, but this trumpeter barely misses a beat. As they say, the show must go on.
Nice job, Ben.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you right back next time.
Now I'm gonna take a spoon and chop it up. Okay, this might be hard. Mom, did you know it's snowing today? There we go. Okay, next you're gonna put it. Next you're gonna be putting it in the. I don't know what I'm looking at. Look in here. Okay. Okay. So what we're gonna be doing? Oh my god, that's upside down. Okay. We're gonna be putting this into the kitchen. Okay. Put this here. Oh, sorry. Put it in the microwave. Probably about 20 seconds first.
Full wax. I don't know if that's for the microwave.
20 seconds and done. So, yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. It might be hot though. You should rather put metal in here, except for plastic. Not bad. Just feel like it's not going to be as liquid. So let's sit back up here. Okay. There. And now we're going to try to mix it. It's actually kind of already like it. It depends, like, you won't even have to put almost anything in it. Guys, also, the more glue you put in, would also be like the more firm you get. So see, that's how much I got. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add like one more, a big one, instead of just like the mini one from that one. So I'm going to get that. Okay. So I think it'll be in my bin. Mom. Yeah. Where's my other blue sticks?
Thank you. Right now, police in Manchester, New Hampshire.
Oh.
On 2nd Street, the victim had 9 life-threatening.
Okay. I don't think we have any. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna grab the activator. For activator, you could either use laundry detergent, Tide, or you can use other things. Which I think is like the same thing, but this one's purple. I think it would be dish soap. Dish soap. So, not so sure. So, I'm just gonna try this. No, it smells the same. Look how much you need. Like nothing. Okay. Now let's mix that.
Police are asking for your help to find this man here, the suspect in a violent armed robbery at a Braintree gas station. Julie Ronchek joins us live. Julie, what happened here?
Yeah, guys, I think this would be a fail. Just because of the way of how it is. I think it's the glue of the kind of glue it is. I think you might need the purple one. Cause see, that's technically nothing. So that was a fail. But it's back. This is trash. Okay. I'm just gonna wash my hands real quick. I'm actually gonna like put it in a. Okay. Let's go into the kitchen and put up over here. There. Okay. I'm just gonna wash my hands. Ow! Ew. Feels really disgusting. Nothing. Okay. Now I'm going to dry it. Switch over. What is it for dinner?
Chicken, potatoes, corn,
What kind of chicken?
fat.
I know, but what kind is it?
Just has a little Italian dressing on it.
Ew.
No, you like that one.
Do I like it like it?
Well,
Is it like
you
the crunchy one?
The what? No,
The
it's not
crunchy one? Okay.
But you like it. I'm pretty sure.
Okay, guys. Okay. So, this was a totally fail, but that's what we do. Everybody fails. I think it's because of the glue or maybe the way I made it. But I'm just gonna throw a couple of stuff away and then, yeah. We'll do two different things.
It's still unclear who gave the megastar painkillers labeled as Vicodin, but actually laced with fentanyl. All up with it. Prince had no idea he was taking a cargo pill that could kill him. Others around Prince also likely did not know that the pills were counterfeit containing fentanyl.
Okay. But guys, that would actually kind of be a really good way to make like soap, like the hand soap instead of like the squirting one. So yeah. I also just found the slime.
Knowing that they've been used by Prince. But investigators do not believe that Dr. Schellenberger supplied the fentanyl caused the 57-year-old's death. But his cousins say whoever did it still needs to be held accountable.
Oh my God. I hate ants. Okay. So here's the putty. Dr. Putty's Crystal Clear putty. Like 3 putties in one title. I got from Five Below also. This isn't really slime, as I said. It's putty from the title. You can still poke it and stuff, but it's really hard. Ugh. That's the other one. And the one I said that was just a bit stickier is this one, but I said the stickier one from this one. So these are, I had 5, but then I mixed, I think, 2 with these ones and 3 with these ones. So, see, it's not, oh my God. It's very sticky. after like you play with it. But yeah. I need to wear green tomorrow.
I know, I have a green jacket, a jean jacket.
I was gonna say let's go to the dog store and get something. Like the blue shirt I have. Okay, guys. So I have one more slime right over there. Oh my god. Okay, guys. So next week or the week after that, or either in April or May, I'm gonna be doing a room tour. Yay! Like my room right now is just a mess. But so yeah, the thing is, I'm getting a bunk loft, and for those who do not know what a bunk loft is, it's like where you have your desk area down below, or like a little reading area down below, and then you climb up the ladder and it's just a bed. If you know what a bunk bed is, it's kind of like that, but the bottom bed is gone. It's just like a little place. I'll show you a picture of that in just a minute. And then my floor, I'm going to get a rug on my floor, like a whole entire rug to fill my whole floor. Because right now, as you can see, the floor is like this. Or like that. This is like more, that's more my bedroom floor. But, yeah. So then I'm going to get a 32-inch TV and I'm going to hang it up. My room is going to be so big, I can have like so many people, like, there for a sleepover. Okay. Now, my slime isn't stretchy. It's more like just a, oh, that's kind of cool. You guys, look at this. Can't see it, but like right here. Right there. Yeah, you can see it. Kind of see that? Right here. So yeah. I can poke it and everything. I really like how the top is, but see, it's not stretchy. That's the one thing. It is not stretchy. Guys, if I don't do a before and after video of my room, instead of a before and after, I'm probably just going to do like an after, because my room is a mess right now, and I have some stuff I'm not going to be showing because it's not mine. It's my cousin's, and she doesn't really like people looking at her stuff, because like, yeah. Okay, so see guys, the one thing is, don't ever do this. I'm just gonna do this for you. It's making me so sad. There. That beautiful, nice slime you just saw is now gone. It's in chunks. Plus, it won't get ruined. I just need to let it sit together. So, yeah, I'm going to put this back in here. Okay. So, guys, also, next time, You guys can also get like, I'm not getting, I'm so stupid. You guys, I'm gonna tell this right now. So guys, if you play Roblox or have Instagram or Snapchat or anything, or Musically, you can go check out mine. So I'm pretty sure my Snapchat is Candle Coffee. I don't know why I named it that. It's just I was really bored. I tried every single name. I was looking around my room and I found a candle and it's like coffee flavor. So I'm just like, I'm just gonna write it as Candle Coffee with a picture of candle, the flavor of coffee. Like I had no idea what to name it. I want to put this up. Okay. So yeah. Now I can show you guys a picture of a Bancroft. But my phone is dead, my tablet's dead, so I'm gonna have to use my mom's phone. I can't reach it. Mama, I can't reach your phone. Yeah. I'm like three inches that way. Ow, ow. You're gonna break my leg. Okay, I'm just gonna get it. Okay, I got it. Okay. What is that noise? Oh wait, no. I didn't even tell you anything else. Okay. Oh my god, I'm just... Okay. So, yeah, that's my Snapchat's Candle Coffee. My Instagrams... Oh my god. My Instagram is... Puppies847, I believe. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Huh. I'll go in my room in a minute and check it. But then no. Yeah, I think my Instagram's puppies 46, either 468 or 87 or 8 or 678. I don't even know what it is because I haven't been on it in a while. But my Roblox name is, okay, this is gonna be a long time. GYMN, and then after that N, it's 12 A's and a T. Pretty long. I'm gonna change it next week. But yeah, my Musically is it's with a Z, ITZ _ gymnast _ Ash. No uppercases. Capitalization. Okay. Loft beds. Not two beds, loft beds. Loft beds.
According to Wikipedia, a bunk bed is a type of bed in which one bed frame is stacked on top of another.
Yeah, like kind of like that. That one... I only want to do this one. This one's $399. I'm not going to get that one next week. But... Can I zoom in? Well, this is more like what it looks like. Oh my god, hold on. Alright, so see, I'm going to climb up the ladder and the bed will be right there. And then I'll have my desk area down here. But the one I'm looking for is very different. Like, instead of the ladder, oh my god. Instead of the ladder being on like the side, it's going to be on the front. So like here's a bed, and here's the ladder. Instead of the ladder being over here, it's going to be over here. So yeah, that's what a bunkloft is going to be. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty much all I have for today. But if you want, just to keep the video going, it's already been 30 minutes, wow. Okay, we are gonna be, I guess I can show you guys what is in my school bag, maybe? Okay. Alright, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna put this right here. Okay. So this is technically my binder. I actually had a white one. Don't ever get binders from the dollar store. Like, I had 2 of them and they came apart. Like, the metal part, like right here, that came off. It was like a wooden one. Like a cardboard one. But this is my old one. Not my old one. This was my science binder from last year in 3rd grade, but now I'm in 4th, and so I just took the picture off. I put these little slits on from a dollar store thingy, from another dollar store binder. I can actually put emoji ones on if I want, but I really like this design. Like, I love it. Guys, I can actually do a tutorial after that. I want to do so much stuff now that I'm seeing everything. Okay. So then when you open it up, it has, my easy multiples because we're doing multiples. But I don't need this. Usually if I'm doing it on the bus, I'll just look on this just to make it quicker. Because I'm like the 4th stop. It's like, yeah. Easy multiples. I have this for spring break for the YMCA, I guess. My language that I do. Tomorrow I have to do, nope. I mean, today. Today I did that last one that says Thursday, because today's Thursday. I do this on the bus, so you have to get it quick done. And then here is my math. I'm doing division right now, so I have 2 math problems, and then I have to do 2 more after I'm done. But yeah. Yeah. So then in here, I'm actually gonna just bring it. I do have more stuff in here. It's just like, here it is. The zipper broke, so some stuff fell out. I'm actually just gonna take it all out. Okay. And then I think I had extra pencils right here. Okay, extra pencils. Okay, so yeah, those were from my thingy, but they fell out because the zipper broke. Okay. So I have this. I'm actually just gonna pop it out. I have this, but apparently, when I was trying to do something, this zipper broke. See? So this part is supposed to be like connected to here. If not, I'll probably go to the dollar store and get one, because this is actually, I think, where I got it. Maybe, maybe not. It's really hard to get that in. But that's where I put everything. So what I have is a couple of pencils. If somebody's over and they want to do it. Like, this one is actually really cool. It's from heat transfer. So see, if you hold this, or you go like that, it's technically that. I have to hurry up because my thing is on a low battery. I will bring the charger out and stuff, but I have an eraser. This bag is for popcorn money because we bring in 50 cents. And on Friday, we bring in 50 cents on Wednesday for popcorn on Friday, just to raise some money for the school. I have some crayons and a glue stick. And I had scissors. I don't know where they are. They probably fell in my bag. But yeah. And then I'm gonna take this out. I don't ever take this out, but here is this. Oh no, I'm not actually. Hope you guys do not see that. I did not want to show you what school I go to. There is information right here. I'm not actually going to show it to you because it's information of where I live. But, so today, we do this every day in the morning. We do that 20 minutes for reading. I don't even read word work. I don't even do that. But I only do 2 things. Because the teachers don't know. Oh my god. Okay, and then I did this one. This is for the Friday. I don't really do anything except for a 20. I can actually do that right now. But I need to hurry up. So yeah, and I have a bookmark of where I am. So I'm just going to put that in. So I don't like taking this out. Ow! It's like stabbing me. Okay. And then I have CARES goals. I actually have a couple. I'm only going to read just the ones that are recently. I'll do the first 3. Okay. So the first, from 3, was to cooperate at corrections because we correct for math, our homework, and morning work. So then for my reflection, I said okay, but I didn't really finish it, so yeah. Another one was get my morning work done. I said okay, but not all of it because I didn't get all my morning work done. And this one was finish morning work. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing it. For the morning work, I'm not too sure where it's been. I haven't really been finishing it, so I'll do that another time. Okay, now I'm going to put the thing in, and then I'm going to charge this, but the video is still going to go on. Don't worry. You go like this or this? I think go like this. Okay. This. There's a paper. Okay. This is for spring break. Okay. So that's what in my binder. I'm gonna do just a minute. Okay. I'm gonna show you the rest of my bag. It's just that I need to get my charger. Going down my hallway. Hello. There we go. Can I zoom out? Go away. Okay, I'm gonna hold this up to my face because I don't want you to see my room because it's not done yet. I'm still doing my bedroom, but yeah, so I'm actually just gonna leave my phone out here in the hallway. It'll just be easier. There we go. Here is my charger. Okay. I'm doing this with my iPod, not a phone. Well, it is a phone, but not technically. I gotta get it. Gonna hurry and charge it. Plug it in. That's what I meant. Okay, let me see it. Okay, it is charging. Plus, guys, I'm not really also my cousin comes over a lot, so she brings toys and forgets them almost every day. The one thing that creeps me out is dolls. Don't even talk about dolls. Dolls creep me out, and that's what my cousin likes, and they're just freaking creepy. Just saying. Like, So if you saw those in the living room, that's probably why, because my cousin forgot some. I actually have a couple of cousins that leave their stuff here, like my cousin Danica. Her Roblox username is Pinky World Witch. Okay, let's go to the emojis. Okay, what you're gonna need is a binder, like a little leathery binder, not a hard binder, just a little picture binder, and obviously a binder. I'm not actually gonna change it, but I'll change it in a couple days in a while. Okay, next you're gonna need these two things and some scissors. So I need scissors. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, let's get started. Oh my god. No. Okay. So what you're gonna do is you want to measure it. So you want to measure your binder, and sometimes it's like a thingy. Ew. Okay. So we're gonna measure this and see where to cut it from. Okay, we're gonna cut it to like here.
Reed. There.
Okay. Be careful when you cut it. Try not to cut it like too big. Oh my god. I'm cutting it too small now. Okay. I think that's good. Okay. So now, as you have the emoji, plus the background is pink, so I guess that will work. Go with the most flat side on the bottom. It fits. So see guys, it fits. You can have one emoji side and one that side. I really guys, I love this side better than the emoji side, but I might do the emoji one for just Friday. Really emotional on Fridays because next week I have vacation, spring break. Okay guys, and if you don't want any access, just go from the top and just cut it. Okay, come on. Oh my god, it's almost been an hour for the video. Okay, well that's the best I can do. Next, on the other side, I have these two little holes, so we have to be careful for that. See, I really like these ones, because these ones are so cute, but I can cut the emoji ones. See, I think, okay, but we're gonna do, oh my god, why am I cutting that one? No. Now we're just gonna cut this one. Because there is a line, that's actually where I cut it, but then we needed more space. Oh my god. This is gonna take for a very, very long time. Well, maybe not. And snip. Okay. Don't even think that it is even. But okay. Let's try to see if this will fit. Nope. A bit too big. Let's cut. No. get a big one. There we go. Now this will fit. Yeah. There we go. And now we just put the top. Mommy, I'm making an emoji binder now. I'm making an emoji binder instead of the other ones, but I'm still going to keep the other ones because I really like the other ones. Okay, guys. So, here is the binder now. If I really wanted this, or this, no. I can slide this to this piece. If it'll fit. Let's try. Okay. Oh my god, this is gonna be so hard. I only got half in it. Slide down. I won't slide down. I'm gonna need something like this. Ow.
I'm gonna go pee.
Why won't this go down? There we go. Do you see the emoji binder now? Yeah. So here we go, guys. My binder is now different than these two on the top. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna have to end the video in just a minute because I just totally forgot about my backpack. I told you guys that I would do something. Okay. I'm just gonna put those to the side. This is my binder. So yeah, I showed you what's in my binder. Okay. Now I'm just gonna keep this here and I'm just gonna, well, let's see something. Okay. Oh my god, I have so many. Oh my god, I have so many notifications. Okay, we're gonna just undo that real quick and then we'll plug it back in because dinner is technically ready. Okay, so this is my bag. That's what it looks like in here. I have lotion, gloves, a brush, like a comb, ew, and a house key. I can still. Goes back in. I put that back in. I actually had my slime in there, and since I found more, I will put all of my slime in. I only had 2 of them in. There. And now we will shut it. There. It did break, so I just used something to do it with. In here, guys, is this a little tic-tac-toe game? A little quick tic-tac-toe. Like one can be that one, and then one's that one. See? The board is like a hashtag. So confusing doing it by mirror. Okay. This is what it looks like inside my bag. I got my limited scoop. I have my lunch bag. Oh, here are the scissors. Found the scissors. And my water bottle, which I am going to keep right here. Okay. And I don't think, nope, nothing's in here. Just, yeah. Okay. If 10 minutes would be like an hour. But sadly, guys, we are gonna end it. But yeah. So I usually post every day, but if I don't, this is actually to fill everything up, because usually my videos would be 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. So this is almost an hour, so this will take like 2 days. So bye guys, see you next time.